Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is August 28th, 2017, and today is Monday morning. So we're looking at the end of August here, last week of August. No major news events scheduled today, but lots happening as things are starting to form themselves, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. But let's see what's been happening in the market. So we're looking here at the Euro USD. Big rally last Friday for the Euro USD. As you can see here, we just took this off and gapping up at 119.29 here, as you can see. This is really all-time highs for the year, okay? And so we came closer to the trend line. We continue going up. We almost touched the 30-day on the daily, but we didn't hit it ever. And then we just had a bull flag and we took it up. Now, we've been mentioning that this has been very strong the past several weeks, okay, since the beginning of May. We've just been taking up higher and higher. And as you can see here, we're continuously going up. So like I said, I have a yearly target at 125. Let's see if that actually fruites before the next 4 months until December, but that's my target, and we're at 119.29 here. Now the question is what do we do with it today? Well, that really remains to be seen, because to buy it here, it's already rallied. To short it here would be a little bit crazy because it could continue going up to 120. So if you're not in the position, I wouldn't suggest getting into the position. But if there's a pullback down to 118.66 or 118.70-ish level, that would be my next buy point. Okay, so a nice bull flag here on the high side, a nice breakout, excuse me, not a bull flag, a nice breakout here for the Euro USD. Now this is working in tandem with some of the other currencies and some of the other indices as well, and this is really coming together in a full picture. Now looking at the gold, I'm going to just jump to gold 1 second. We're at 1293, okay, which is almost all-time highs for the year, okay, and we've rallied nicely, okay, and we're not going down. So this looks like it wants to take it higher, and maybe we'll even get into this 1322-ish level. So it was a wonderful place to catch gold here. If you were able to catch it, that was really a great opportunity. But as we get into the winter season, I think we'll hit 1350-ish level before February. So keep an eye on that. Now looking at the Dow Jones, dead in the waters, okay, 21,774. It just doesn't seem like it's going to go higher. It seems like it's trending downwards, okay, getting a little bit weaker, trading within this range. A good place to actually short it, 21,885, as it made a double top, but never really broke the trend line. And now it just looks like it's faltering below the 30-day average on the 4-hour chart, and it's just below the 30-day average in the daily chart. So that's a major retracement here for the Dow Jones. Now, if this retraces, it could go back to 21,500-ish level. I mean, the next real support level is 21,624. Okay, so it has still a way to go on the downside. So just keep an eye on this as this also resolves itself throughout the week and opens up. Looking now at the GBP USD, a nice flip last week. Okay, we had a nice rally, short covering. And the question is that if it's a short covering and dead cat bounce, if it's going to go right back down to 127 again. So just keep an eye on this. This may be a nice short here as it just, short covering squeeze and pull it up a little bit higher to 128 until we go further down to 127-ish level. So keep an eye on that as well as this resolves itself. Looking at the JSC, on its highs, 50,051. So this has really been something of note, okay, all-time highs for the JSC. If we look at a monthly chart, okay, that is all-time highs, and it broke out higher. Now we mentioned this before, that it had this massive bar on the upside and then broke it up higher. So keep an eye on that as well. Looking at the USD ZAR, 13, okay, trading within its range. Nothing crazy here. I would have expected it maybe to go even lower to maybe 1245, but it hasn't done that yet. So let's see if some of the things progress this week with the Dow Jones, with the Euro, and with the GBP. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.